Alright, so finally nalagyan ko na ng 8 items. So let's go ahead and design our online store na. Let's go to themes. And ito yung multiple templates ng Upsell. So for example, you're selling cosmetics, you can use this template. You can use the templates there. Or maybe you are selling gadgets or mobile phones, like that. You can use this too. And more. And also you can create from the scratch. So punta tayo dito. Okay, by the way, ito pala yung default website natin kanina na nakita. So yan na yung active. But for now, let's go ahead and create our own template from the scratch. Okay, so click new blank. And ito na yung editor ng Upsell. Okay, add tayo ng header, guys. Okay, ito na lang muna. And then footer, this one, add tayo ng section. Okay, there you go. So, ito yung mga placeholders natin, guys. If gusto nyong lagyan ng items to, just click the products drop down, and then click the pencil icon to add our item or product. So that one, it's automatic. So i-fill lang natin yun, guys. Okay, may nadagdag, tanggalin lang natin there. And then let's change this. Okay, elegant rest. And then change yung format, guys, yung placement, yung font, then yung font weight, and then if capitalized ba, and then yung font size dito. Ayan. Ito rin change din natin siya, guys. Okay, subheading. Elegant rest is the best over cozy rest. There you go. Ayun. It's real time. Okay, so sa header, guys, pwede tayo maglagay ng logo dito through here. So mag-upload tayo ng logo. Okay, this guy, may naka-ready na pala ako ng logo, guys. Okay, there you go. Elegant rest. Hindi lang masyadong visible yung mga words there, but it's fine. And of course, the colors, change nyo yan. Background color. Ayun. Let's go and use pink. Medj pink or gray. I don't know. Yes, that one. And ito rin, guys, change din natin to, guys. Yung background color. But for now, just white. Let's leave it white. Okay. And then dito rin, lagyan natin ng logo. That one. Okay, it's real time. So, pwede pa tayo mag-add ng section, guys. Okay, let's add this. The banner. If gusto niyo siyang nasa top, guys, pwede niyo siyang ma-edit here sa my left side. Pwede niyo ma-move. Depende sa kung anong gusto nyong order. Okay, mag-add pa tayo. Okay, you can add section here and also here. This. Okay. Ito. Lagyan natin ito. So, this is for the scarcity. Deals of the day. Let's say, you better hurry. You better hurry. Exclusive products to limited products. Just now products. Okay. Just now products. What? Okay. And then pwede niyo siyang ma-change, malagyan ng mga what do you call this, mga items dyan, guys. So alright, there you go. Let's add one more. This pink. Pwede pa tayong mag-add. It's up to 8. Yung white. Ayun. We added three chairs there. Dito rin naka-default kasi siya, guys. So, ayun. And then of course, may edit yung countdown, guys. So, how many sold? Let's say this one, let's say mga 200 sold sa third item. Nasa third item siya, guys. Ito. Okay. Let's edit the second item. 50 lang. Nasa 50. Okay, ayun. And real time yung measurement, guys, okay? Yung gauge niya. Alright. And then, yung kanina nga, pwede nating ma-drag if anong gusto nyong order. If gusto nyo siyang nasa huli, ayun. Okay, let's add one more. Parallax. This is parallax, by the way. Okay, so itong yung mga section dito, guys, you can change, you can add your desired photos or according sa inyong product or brand. So kung gusto niyo maglagay ng pictures niyo diyan or yung mga customers niyo na ginagamit yung products niyo, you can add it here. And also here. Okay, edit natin to. Slideshow. Dito nyo siya ma-add. So, cutie just got fresh from the oven. Elegant rest. Oops. Ayun. And then here, malalagyan nyo yan, guys. Nawala. Ayun. So it's real time. And ma-edit mo siya, guys, lahat ng ito, but just to give you an example, ito, overlay, badge color, okay, white, heading color, let's put white there. Alright, so let's go to to this section about us. Now this is your team, guys. Let's say na may group picture kayo, pwede nyo yung ilagay dito. Alright, let's try that. This one, ito. Then you can also change the title here. For example, our story started at this site, at coffee shop na lang. Okay. And then the description, pwede nyo siyang ma-change as well. Like that. So, ibalik natin yung image, guys. So, there you go. And then, yung mga profile nyo, guys, let's say 4 kayo, you can upload your picture here, and then yung name nyo, and then yung position. There. Then here as well, yung mga services nyo, yung mga highlights nyo. So free shipping or 100% refund, and then customer support. And then may edit nyo rin siya, guys. Like this one. See? Magre-reflect siya. Alright, so save natin. And then let's go here, contact. Alright, this section, guys, this page here, ito yung makikita ng mga customers nyo. Dito sila magla-land if they wanted to ask questions about your company or about your product. So here, let's say for example, this question here, pwede nyo siyang ma-customize, guys. Will I receive the same product that I see in the picture? And then yung desired answer nyo, guys, yung best answer nyo sa question na yan. For example, yes, you will. Okay? Smiley. And then of course, change nyo yung questions. The same dito. Alright? And then frequently asked questions, and then information questions here, change nyo yan. Like that, magre-reflect yan siya. And dito rin, dito ilalagay na, ito yung i-fill out ng mga customers nyo if they wanted to ask questions. And that's all good now. So, now, yung sa Google Map, guys, this is a bit tricky, okay? Now, let's say that gusto nyong i-target yung store nyo, yung store branch nyo. So, punta ka lang sa Google Map, let's say nandito yung store nyo, okay? Right-click nyo, right-click, and then just left-click this. Ito yung coordinates, guys. Ayun. Nakakopy na yun siya. And ipipaste nyo dito sa latitude and longitude. And then it happens na sa akin, guys, it needs API key kasi. And then it happens na naka-generate na ako ng sarili ko. And then na-target yung location na to. And for more info about that, may tutorial naman sa YouTube on how to get API key para sa Google Map, para mag-reflect talaga siya real time sa store nyo. So you just go there. Or maybe I can go ahead and create a new tutorial for that. So that one here as well. Just change nyo yan. Just like usual. Okay, I think we're clear. So terms and conditions, usually this is a boilerplate, but depende yun sa products or sa business nyo, and you can also customize this outside. Later I will show you, okay? And then this page as well, so terms and conditions and policy, and privacy and policy dito rin. Usually mga boilerplates kasi to, guys. And may mga brackets dito na if you fill out nyo yung name nyo, name ng brand, name ng business nyo, and necessary details for compliance. So there you go. Okay, no changes here. Let's go ahead and sa product page. Now, let's say na yung customer nyo, guys, gusto niya yung one item. Let's say na-click niya itong item na to dun sa homepage nyo. Dito siya malaland sa single page. So if you wanted to add more more pictures about this product, you can always add pictures sa may products tab kanina. It happens na dalawa lang yung ni-upload ko para mas makita talaga ng customers yung details. So this, mga recommended products din, and then yung description. And dito rin makikita yung mga feedback ng ibang customers na nag-purchase ng the same product. So it's all good na. Let's save. Alright, so let's go back, guys, sa homepage. Now, when I scroll down, I hope you can see this, your logo. So blank pa yan siya, guys. Like it's suggesting to put your logo there. So may logo na tayo dito, and dito din sa footer, lagyan natin siya, guys. Since save na natin to, we can just exit this, and then go to settings. We can upload our logos here. This is our primary, secondary logo. Now, ito yung icon, guys. Yung dito. Para ma-change natin yan, click natin to, upload tayo ng isa. Okay, let's use this. Okay, select, save, refresh natin to. Nag-change na siya, guys, and then namali yung paglagay ko dito, change lang natin. It's fine, minor mistake. So refresh, there you go. Nag-reflect na yung logo natin, and then yung icon din sa taas. So okay, all good.